Uh, G'day folks. It's not any good. I've got a dilemma. So I've made this little plate up. It's not perfect, but it should do the job just to pull a bearing into this housing. And it's in Bunnings. Shouldn't have gone there. Had these bolts and a nut set. Not very expensive, I suppose. Probably too expensive. Zenith branded. You'd think, oh, it might be alright. They looked alright. Until I want to ratchet it up or whatever, and I can't figure out what size goes on the bloody nut. I must have some kind of brain fart or something. Something's not working right here. So it's got to be one of these. So we got a 1/2 inch. I don't know. So in sizes, this is the smallest. Whoop. Similar. So 1/2 inch doesn't fit. Not at all. So I thought, oh, it might be a 13. Pretty standard size, isn't it? Yeah, 13mm. Only M8s. No, maybe they're. I was thinking, oh, maybe they're not M8s because I didn't actually know what size they were. I just picked them off the shelf. I thought, oh, it might be an Imperial. So it might be Imperial. So 9/16. Alright, yeah, fair enough. Look how much. Look, it's way bigger. And I thought, oh, what about if I get a 9/16 spanner? What's it do? Oh, it's like, it is not even close. And then you get the 14, and then it's the same story. Here's another 14 ring spanner. No. Here's another nice Barco 14mm. Yeah. It is going to work, but it's still got, that is the slop. So what I'm wondering, fellas, is if you can tell me, is there a size in between, I don't know, a 9/16 and a 1/2 inch or something that's, I don't know about, because I've never seen that size. I've got the little old calipers out to have a look at them, and it was like 13.7-ish mils. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Yep. Oh, well, if you blokes have an answer, blokes and gals out there, I'd love to hear what you say. Maybe these are just shit, and maybe the moulds are all wrong, or worn out, or something. Something's funny. Right up. See you, folks.